Hi everyone, so yesterday I finally got this from Banggood. This is called a fish wire, in English it seems. It's a device to help you pull cables through conduits inside walls. In my case I wanted to pull a Ethernet cable from my room to the living room. This cable is quite well made. It has this very round metal top, which is what goes first, so you might want to put some lubricant here to help it. Next it has this very springy part. It actually looks to be a very tight spring. It will help you go through very tight spots. Then it starts the main part. It's all nylon. It's quite slippery, which is quite nice for this. This roll is 30 meters. And at the end it has the little hook where you place your cable that you want to pull, so that when you pull this through the conduit, the cable will come attached to it. So this is a TV and radio jack that we have on the wall. So through there it's my main computer room. I can still stuff a cable there. I'll try to put cable through here, then through that little hole there. The main computer room, I'll call it room number 1. Where I'm standing right now, it's room number 2. Then this pipe here goes to room number 3, which is 3 meters away, more or less. Then in room number 3 there is another plug like this. So I'm now in room number 3, you can see the difference. So the pipe to the left, it's going to room number 2, where I was just now. And then this pipe goes to the living room. In the living room there is two jacks of this type, so I have to also open another one and pass it through. We are now back to room number 2. Let's see how this goes. Let me pull this a little bit further. Yeah, let's try pull it, put this in there. It's in. Bring it to the right. Maybe there is some twists in the cable or something in the pipe. Maybe putting it in another place will help. This goes quite well at the beginning, then we get to the snack, and we are getting there already. I feel it. It's moving. Oh my god. There goes the camera. It's going. Oh. The cable is right. It can go further. And check that out. Look who's here. Here it is. Just arrived. It was probably stuck somewhere when the cable comes from the floor and up to wall. Since I just pushed a bit more and here it is. So let me push some more on the other side and see if it comes out. So here we are. I just pushed a bit more, pulled a bit, and you can see the front piece, it's already here, and now I can just pull it right through. So as you hopefully was able to see, if I didn't screw up the recording of the live camera view, I was able to pull the cable from the room number 2 to the room number 3. You can see here, I just attached it like that. There is barely no space now. Let's just finish this one in the room number 2 and the room number 1, which is my computer room. I'll just thread the remaining wire to the computer room, so I can already close this plug off, since we need to anything else here. I can just put it through. Let's try not to break the pairs in the process. This is way too tight. There you go. This plug is done. I can now attach it to the wall back. So it's now a few weeks later, after all the failure. I decided to get some help. By help, I mean this. It's a lubricant. It's blue liquid that you apply to the cable, the conduit, whatever. I just dip a bunch of it into the conduit, and yeah. So this run made me spend another €8 if I'm not mistaken. It's a 1 liter bottle. I got some help from that and another person. Clearly you need more than 2 hands and you need to be in 2 places at the same time. It's best, if you want to do this, to get someone to help you. One pushes the wire into the conduit, the other one pulls it at the same time. This is living room, and I already placed the socket here. Let me just show you. So you can see I'm getting gigabit speeds. There is a file copy right there. So it seems to be working fine. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and if you want to buy the fish wire or wire puller, whatever you want to call it, there will be a link in the description for that.